So I wanted to show you these replacement shields that we got for our NoCry face shield that we have. We get these because there's just several things we like about them. First of all, it's super lightweight. It has several little notches, and I'll show you here on our actual mask. They just hook right in these little black holes here all the way around. And we like that they curve around so they're actually on the side of your face. And then these, when you get them in where you want, you just turn these and hook them so they don't slip around or move or anything like that. But these we haven't had any issues with them scratching. They just last a long time. We use ours a lot. They're easy to clean. You just take it off and wipe them down and you're good to go. So if you're looking for a good replacement, these go with the NoCry face shield, but we've been very satisfied with them and use them all the time.